Taking portraits, it requires a lot of time, doesn't it? A lot of effort, a lot of thinking, thoughts, planning, preparation, excellent kit, lighting maybe. Well, actually, no, it doesn't, not necessarily. Some of the best portraits I've ever taken have just happened. I've just seen somebody out in the street. You know, you're walking down the street, you're in a restaurant, you're in a pub, and you just see somebody and you think, wow, that is such an interesting character. That is such an interesting person. I'd love to capture that. Well, when that happens, don't be afraid. Go over to them, even if you've only got an iPhone with you, and say, I know this sounds weird, but can I take a portrait of you? You're looking uber cool, and I really like the look that you've created there. And do you know what? When I've done that, 99 times out of 100, the person says yes. In fact, most of the time, they're really pleased. I mean, people that dress to get noticed, usually quite pleased to be noticed. So anyway, have a look at this. This happened last week. So I'm in Cornwall and I'm taking a walk down the country lanes, and it's a beautiful spring day, and I'm thinking maybe we might get a few pictures, maybe just with the iPhone, and maybe there's a liquid lunch involved somewhere. And I take a few pictures, nothing special, pictures like this and like this, and you know, just regular kind of things, just scenes, nothing special, nothing that's going to win any awards, a few black and whites. And I'm having a good day. I'm enjoying the sunshine and the flowers and the beaches. Even do some slow shutter stuff. The sun's out, the flowers are out. It's a really nice day. And then as we turn the corner, this is what I'm looking for. That liquid lunch. This is the Pandora Inn. One of my favourite places to get a drink. Nice thatched cottage, old smuggler's cottage. And let's hope we can get a table and get some nice refreshment. And wait a minute, look at that guy over there. Wow, he's got a certain look. I wonder if he mind having his picture taken. Anybody that follows the channel knows I'm a people photographer, and I'm always on the lookout for people. And when you just see someone that is just so cool, you just got to ask to take a picture. And I've just met these guys here, look.
Very flat.
And this guy's just looking so uber cool. I asked if I could take a portrait and he said yes, so let's have a go. Well, I'm going to start this portrait in full sunlight because I love all the detail it's given. Oh yeah, this guy's got the look, and I really like the way that the sun's picking out all this facial hair. But looking at the camera, that's what we need. That's better because I need that interaction with those glasses. Look, that looks really good. And I'm just thinking black and white, and I'm just gonna really take this really down low key because I like that lighting in the middle of his face. Look, so we've gone black and white, we've got rid of the background. I'm going to bring the background back, but I'm going to step back a little bit now. I like that picture. I think that's bringing the coat in, and it really has got a lot. Let's step back a bit more. Yeah. Now, that's a completely different picture yet again, isn't it? But I don't know. I think I preferred the one before. But behind me, there's a seating area by a Tide timetable, which I noticed while we were coming over, and I want to go back to that. Let's take him back. There, that's nice, isn't it? I like that. I like that kind of oldie worldy pub Tide tables, but you've got him looking sort of super cool, almost out of place. Let's go black and white. I think that'll be the picture. Yeah, I like that. I love loading him over to that one side. I'm really happy with that portrait. That's the one for me, I think. Yeah, I like it. But I will just try one more thing. I'm going to go wide. Step back, go wide. I quite like that. And what I like about that is it's kind of three pictures in one. We've got him and that incredible look. We've got the oldie worldy building, and then we've got what's happening in the real world, look, reflected in the glass in the window and in the glass in that Tide clock. So all in all, I'm really happy with those set of portraits. I think they're all very different. Leave me a comment which one you like and why you like it. And I especially love the fact that we didn't plan this, it just happened. So there you have it. We got some great photos, some nice portraits with just an iPhone. And look, I'm not saying that, you know, an iPhone is going to take as good a pictures as if you've got a the latest Fuji or Sony or Nikon camera. No, if I'd have had my work cameras with me, it would have been an even better portrait. But what I am saying is that if you come across somebody when you're out and about and all you've got with you is your phone or a compact camera or a travel camera or whatever, still take the picture. You can still get great pictures. If you enjoyed that, thank you. Please consider subscribing. Give me a like, and also if you are new to photography and you have only got an iPhone and you want some tips, I've got this link here. And if you want to know more about portraits and how to take better portraits, then click this link here. Thanks for watching.